The AI didn't tell me to do it. In 2026, that is the most expensive sentence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. For the first time in history, the FDA has issued a warning letter specifically for the inappropriate use of AI. If you think your AI agents are a get-out-of-compliance free card, you are about to have a very bad day. Welcome back to Pharmalytics. I'm your host, and today we are breaking down a regulatory earthquake. We're analyzing FDA Warning Letter 320-26-58 issued to Purolea Cosmetics Lab. It's the smoking gun that proves the FDA is no longer just watching AI. They are policing it. Let's dive into why this happened and how to protect your GXP environment. Here's what happened. Purolea didn't just use AI for emails, they used it to build their entire quality management system. We're talking SOPs, drug product specifications, and master production records, all generated by AI agents. During the inspection, the FDA found a total lack of process validation. The firm's defense: they claimed their AI tool never prompted them that validation was required. The FDA's response was ice cold. They cited 21 CFR 211.22 subsection C, reminding the industry that your quality unit, the humans, are legally responsible for the accuracy of every record. Using AI as an excuse for ignorance is a fast track to an import ban. So, is AI banned in GXP? Absolutely not. But you must understand the difference between drafting and approving. Point 1. Accountability cannot be automated. AI is a drafting tool, not an authorizing body. Every AI-generated output must undergo a documented human review. Point 2. The black box problem. If you can't explain how your AI reached a conclusion, whether it's a stability prediction or a master record, it's not compliant. This is why explainable AI, or XAI, is, becoming the 2026 standard for GXP. Point 3. Validation. You must validate the system using the AI. If the AI changes or hallucinates, your QMS needs a failsafe to catch it before it hits the production floor. The Purolea Warning Letter is a warning to us all. AI can make your lab faster, but it cannot make you less responsible. If you're not verifying, you're not complying. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button for Pharmalytics. We're tracking every AI-related FDA update so you don't have to. Want the full summary of this warning letter and our AI compliance checklist? Check the link in the description. Now, I want to hear from you. Is your team currently using AI to draft SOPs? Tell me in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started. Stay compliant, stay innovative. I'll see you in the next one.